How to share your profile on Snapchat to Facebook. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your profile on Snapchat to Facebook directly, easily and fast. So all what you have to do is just go to Snapchat. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner, click on your avatar. After you click on your avatar, now go here and click on this icon in the top corner. After you click on it, you will find many options here down. Swipe right until you find Facebook right here. Now choose if you want to share it to Facebook or Facebook Messenger as you want. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.